In the ever-evolving world of consumer drones, DJI has remained the undisputed leader for over a decade, pushing the boundaries of aerial technology with every new launch. Now, in 2025, DJI is preparing to unleash its next-generation powerhouse, the DJI Air 4. The Air series has always struck a perfect balance between professional-grade features and consumer accessibility, and the Air 4 looks set to take that reputation even further. Recent leaks, regulatory filings, and insider reports have given us our most detailed look yet at what the DJI Air 4 will offer, and it's more than just incremental upgrades. With a completely redesigned camera system, enhanced obstacle avoidance, major flight performance improvements. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. A few surprise features DJI hasn't officially announced. The Air 4 might just redefine the upper mid-range drone segment. Let's break down everything we know, including the confirmed specs, rumored hidden features, release timeline, and why DJI may be underplaying some of its biggest changes in 2025. At the heart of any DJI drone is its camera, and with the Air 4, DJI appears to be making a bold leap forward. According to reliable leaks from drone certification agencies and early firmware beta testers, the DJI Air 4 will feature a new 1-inch CMOS sensor, likely co-developed with Hasselblad. While this sensor size was previously exclusive to the Air 2S and Mavic 3 series, DJI is rumored to have refined it further for better low-light performance and more cinematic dynamic range. What makes this sensor even more impressive is the inclusion of dual-native ISO, a technology borrowed from cinema-grade cameras. This will allow the DJI Air 4 to capture cleaner footage in both extremely bright and low-light conditions, making it ideal for golden hour flights, indoor shots, or moody aerial cinematography. Photographers can also expect 20MP stills, raw DNG support, and 12-bit color depth, giving them the ability to recover shadow and highlight detail like never before in post-processing. Video shooters will be thrilled to learn that the Air May 4 supports 6K video recording at up to 60 frames per second. That's a massive leap from the 5.4K per 30 frames per second offered on the Air 2S. Not only will this provide filmmakers with greater resolution and frame rate flexibility, but it also brings the Air 4 closer to the Mavic 3 Pro's cinematic capabilities. But it doesn't stop there. DJI is reportedly including 10-bit D-Log-M recording, which was previously only available on higher-end models. This flatter color profile allows for more professional color grading, dynamic range capture, and cinematic post-production workflows. On top of that, rumors suggest the inclusion of HLG, hybrid log gamma, support for instant HDR workflows, as well as vertical shooting mode optimized for social content creators, perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Finally on the Air series? This might be the biggest hidden upgrade DJI hasn't officially confirmed. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance on the Air 4. The Air 2S and Air 3 featured front, rear, and downward sensors, but several leaked CAD images and component part listings suggest the Air 4 could bring full 360-degree obstacle detection, including side-facing and top sensors. If true, this would be the first Air series drone to feature complete APAS 6.0 Advanced Pilot Assistance System, allowing for smoother, more confident autonomous flight, even in complex environments like forests, urban areas, and tight indoor spaces.